Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Binance Launchpool feature. So you can use the Binance Launchpool to earn new project tokens for free by locking your existing assets like BNB, FDUSD, or other designated stable coins. All you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on more on the Launchpool. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and navigate to the earn or finance section and select the launch pool. And once you've done that, you want to simply browse projects and pools that you can see, and you can simply go ahead and tap on stake or lock your assets. Then you can claim your rewards anytime by simply monitoring your earned rewards. Keep in mind it is flexible redemption, so you can unstake your asset at any time during the farming period. And once you've harvested and completed it, you can also go ahead and list the earned tokens. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.